Hi, it's Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here at 1020 Andrick Lane in Washington Courthouse, Ohio. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home features nearly 2,000 square feet of finished living space, situated on just over a 1/4 acre. So come on in and check it out. I'm going to take you guys on a detailed tour. Okay guys, so when you enter the home, you're greeted by this fantastic foyer area. It has the vaulted ceiling, so it gives you that very open and airy concept right away. It transitions into the family room straight ahead. And you'll notice over here, a lot of great features include this gas fireplace, windows that line the back of the home that overlook the backyard, again providing a lot of that great natural light. It's also open to the kitchen area, great for every day with your family, or obviously always entertaining guests, having extra open space too. So as we enter into the kitchen area, it's an eat-in kitchen, so enough space for a dining table like this family has chosen to utilize it as. In addition, with the center island that has storage all around, which is also an added bonus, and then even room for additional stool space. So they've added 2 stools so they can have additional eating space there as well. All appliances have been updated. Everything is very nice and neutral here, so it's a lot of great options to utilize anytime. You also have the laundry right off the kitchen, which is very convenient as well. And then over here behind the dining area, you have doors that lead out to the deck area overlooking the backyard, which is also very convenient too. And then just off the kitchen, you have a nice half bath and then access from your garage space. And then as we swing around here towards the front of the home again, this is what would be considered the formal dining room if you needed that extra space. This family has chosen to use it as more of a seating area just to give a little more living space throughout the home. Some other added features to point out is obviously the coat closet when you enter the home, great storage space, as well as storage under the stairs, this little cubby, which is super cute and convenient. So let's head on upstairs and we'll take a look up here. Okay guys, so when you come upstairs, there's this lovely landing here that overlooks the main level and the front door area. And then you have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths here. So let's check out the first bedroom. All of the bedrooms are nice and spacious, great closet space. With a sliding, and something else to point out, all the doors are solid. So great quality in this home with the trim work and all the doors throughout. Again, a nice sized bedroom for just about anybody in the family. They're currently using it as a homeschool space, which a lot of you are probably very familiar with that. Okay guys, and so then we're gonna enter into the second bedroom, which again is very spacious. They're using it as a bedroom for 2 of their children, plenty of room for the bunks, plus the closet space here as well. Okay guys, now we're gonna head down the hall and look at 2 more bedrooms and baths. So let's head in here to what would be the 3rd bedroom, and the homeowners are using it as their home office, which is an incredible space. I would use it for that too, because you have the view with this beautiful window overlooking the front of the home, again with a lot of great natural light too. Now let's head into what we would call the kids bath or the guest bath. So this is the full bath that would be utilized by the 3 bedrooms down the hall. And then of course we have the master suite, which was very spacious. It has his and her closets. This one is a nice spacious walk-in closet. You have the added detail of the tray ceiling, and of course the windows with a lot of natural light there too. And then the adjoining bath, which is nicely done with the dual sinks, which is always nice when you're sharing a bath, as well as the jetted tub. And then you have the standalone shower with the glass door. All very nicely done. Another thing I want to point out here too is everything is well maintained in this home. Very clean, crisp, move-in ready. The homeowners have done a fantastic job making sure everything is neutral, down to the wall colors and every little detail. So you literally have to do nothing except to move right in. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour of the inside of the home, including the main level and the 2nd story. But before we wrap, I just want to take you outside and show you the fantastic deck and the backyard. Okay guys, so now I'm on the back deck, which is just off the kitchen area. This is a great space to enjoy the outdoors. Obviously in the warmer months, grilling, hanging out with family, entertaining guests. You have a fantastic backyard. It's flat, a lot of great options here. The homeowners also have a nice storage shed, which is always great to have, as well as a cute little playhouse that I'm sure you could do a lot of different things with too. They also have a fire pit and a swing set too, so a lot of great opportunity and options. The lot is flat, so when you have little ones and you want to run and play, there's a lot of great opportunity there. Again, guys, thank you so much for coming on this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see this home, just send us a message or give us a call and we'd be happy to set that up for you.